You guys, look what I got in the mail. Some mail. Hello and welcome back, everybody, to another Playmo AF unbagging episode. As you can see from the beginning of the video, we do have a new package to open for you guys. I kind of know what's in here. I bought this from a seller in Germany. I just don't remember how many I got. I have a feeling it's 2, but it might be 3. I'm hoping it's 3. I just don't remember. But anyway, we're gonna go right into it. You guys, we have our first Series 25 mystery figure, and I can't tell you how excited I am to have this in my hand finally. Series 26 comes out next year. I think spring of next year, and I am many of these behind. So let's take a look at the packaging up close. We have a wonderful array of figures here. We have a hamburger seller that maybe works at a sports stadium. We've got a little dwarf warrior. We've got a sushi chef, a rapper. This is supposed to be like a tourist or a vlogger or something. I'm not 100% sure what this gentleman is supposed to represent. He might be a European from a specific time period. I just don't know much about it. He kind of reminds me of the Cossack figure that we did a review on some time ago. And then we have possible, what is it? It's a skier. We have a dad, kind of a hipster father, and he's carrying the infant. We have a zombie. I think this is a zombie skater. There's a skateboard on the side there. We have a guy with a remote-controlled car. We have this black and white klicky here. He's supposedly a ghost, but I think he's supposed to more so resemble like a character from a black and white movie. And then we have what appears to be a shipwrecked person, possibly a pirate, but I really think it's just the guy that's shipwrecked, which I would like this guy too. Here's the front, here's the back. We're gonna go ahead and open this and see for the first time a Series 25 figure on this channel. I can't wait to start. Let's check it out. I do apologize for the lighting on this video. It is nighttime, so having these little spotlights on either side of the table here are all I can show you. All right, we have a black glove and we have we have an axe. I think we got the dwarf. What do you guys think? Which is cool by me, because I do like it. Well, there's just everything was pouring. Wow, there's a lot of pieces in this thing. Let me make sure there's nothing left, just to make sure. Okay. Let's put this guy together. We're going to go into high speed mode here. Wow, this is very nice. This is probably one of the coolest dwarf figures that they've ever come out with. This is a very nicely detailed figure. The only thing I find questionable about this figure is this big sword. It's a little too big. It's definitely going to, in real life, this would drag him quite a bit. I mean, it's going to wear him down, basically, is what I'm trying to get at. Him running or even walking, and this thing is just like, just running across the ground and dragging. It's just, I can imagine it. It would be kind of funny. I do like the fact that they're gold weapons. I do love this gold axe that he carries. It's kind of a nice cherry on top here with this highly detailed armor. And I love that it's green. I love the, I don't know why, but I really like the Playmobil knights that have green armor. I'm not sure why I'm so partial to those, but I just am. I do like his braided beard. That's a very nice touch. I know this style of beard has been out for a while, but this is the first one I've ever gotten. And yeah, I also appreciate the fact that he doesn't have like a specific insignia or logo or whatever on his armor to indicate that he's part of a specific clan or kingdom. Yeah, so I actually really can't wait to get pictures of this guy for my Instagram. What say you and I move on to the next Playmobil mystery figure? Okay, bag number 2. Let's speed it up. You know what? Okay, obviously I got a double, but I am just as happy with this, if not more. So this is actually very good for me. I love that I got 2 because now I can customize this one since I already have all the parts. Oh, look, check this out. We got 2 axes and the sword. So I got an extra weapon. That's always nice to get extra parts. Yeah, I got all the other parts then. Okay, so making sure I didn't not get anything. Wait a minute, am I missing an arm? No, I got both arms. Okay, so I only got extra pieces. I'm actually going to hold on to these, use it for another custom figure. Let's see if I can find some hair to replace this one with. Alright, well, nothing too impressive, but I can make an older dwarf using white hair and a white beard. I don't have many other beards. At least none with matching hair pieces, so I'm going to go with this white one since they obviously match. Alright, we're just going to take these axes and put them away. He's got the sword. And he's got the axe. Check that out. How do you like that? They're so good. Alright, I'm not at all disappointed that I got doubles this time around. I think for the first Series 25 mystery figure, this is quite okay. Started off with a good figure to choose from, and yeah, the fact that I got 2 and I was able to create a different figure is nice. I love the fact that we can, you know, mix and match them the way we do. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this figure. Here's what it looks like on the back. Let me know in the comments if you have Series 25. And unfortunately, I personally don't have easy access to Series 25. Every time I try to order one from an American store, they sell out of them, or they just don't carry them anymore, which is very sad because they obviously sell. They're just as good as the Lego blind bags, but you know, we're Playmobil collectors, and we definitely would buy. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Don't forget, you can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. We got more on the way, guys. Stay tuned, and we will see you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.